Hello everyone! Today in this video we will see how you can apply different types of BOGO rules using the premium version of ELEX Dynamic Pricing and Discounting plugin. So without further delay, let's start the video. BOGO stands for Buy One Get One. It's a popular sales promotion that encourages customers to buy more by offering a second item for free. Let's see an example. Your customer is buying product A and you want to offer product B for free. That is where the BOGO discounting rule comes in handy. With the premium plugin of ELEX Dynamic Pricing and Discounting plugin, you can apply BOGO product rule, BOGO category rule, and BOGO tag rule, with various advanced settings and restrictions. Let's go to the front end and see how you can apply your own BOGO rule. Once you have installed the ELEX Dynamic Pricing and Discounts plugin, click on the settings to check all the available rule types. You can see all the available BOGO rule types under Rules and Execution Order. Now click on Discount Rules as shown on the screen. From all the tabs, select BOGO Product Rule tab and click on Create My First Rule. In the Rule Setup page, first you have to enter the rule name. Then select the product which need to be purchased. You can also set the quantity. Under Product to be set as free, you can find two options, namely Cheapest Cart Product, which will help you set up the discount value as per the cheapest product in cart. And you have other option as Select Product from the list. This will help you select the product which you want to set as free. For this demonstration, we are selecting Selected Product from the list. If you want to know more about the cheapest product in the cart option, then please refer to the detailed video attached in the description. Now let's check the advanced settings. Under Adjustments you can assign an amount which will be adjusted on the final discount. Also, you can allow repeat execution. For this demonstration, we are leaving these settings as blank. You can provide the settings as per your requirements. Under Allowed Roles and Dates, you can set up the validity of the discount rule and assign the user roles who can avail the discount. Lastly, Restrictions. It will help you restrict specific user roles and restrict the discount rules as per user's previous order amount or order number. Once you have filled all the settings, click on Save. Let's go to the shop page and see how our rule is working. On the shop page, we are adding product A into the cart. And on the cart, you can see product B has been added as a free product. Similarly, you can set up BOGO category rule and BOGO tag rule by selecting respective category and tag in the place of product to be purchased. Hope you have understood the setting up BOGO rules. If you have any further concerns, then contact our support team by following the link provided in the description. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.